Your degree gets you started, your skills take you further. BCIPS, affiliated with GGSIP University, approved by AICTE and ISO certified. BCIPS offers two full time professional programs: Bachelor of Business Administration and Master of Business Administration. We believe that education extends beyond the classroom. We offer exclusive value added courses designed to help you learn more, do more, and become more, giving every BCIPS student an unfair advantage for the future. Through a holistic learning approach that combines academic excellence with industry exposure, innovation, skill development, and experiential learning, we prepare students to become competent professionals and responsible leaders for the future with courses like ESG, luxury branding, e commerce, retail management, and many more. Welcome to Excelling with MS Excel, a course designed to help you build practical, job ready Excel skills from the ground up. In this course, you'll learn how to organize and analyze data, use essential formulas and functions, create charts and graphs, work with pivot tables, apply data validation, and automate repetitive tasks using advanced Excel features. You'll also discover tips and shortcuts that make working with spreadsheets faster and more efficient. But this course isn't just about theory. Through hands on exercises and real world examples, you'll learn how Excel is used for budgeting, sales analysis, inventory management, reporting, data visualization, and business decision making. Excel is a valuable skill in fields such as finance, marketing, human resources, operations, business analytics, and administration. Employers across industries actively seek professionals who can confidently work with data and generate meaningful insights. So, if you're ready to boost your productivity, strengthen your analytical skills, and add a powerful tool to your professional toolkit, excelling with MS Excel is the perfect place to begin.
The future belongs to those who build skills beyond the classroom, from student to graduate to industry ready to future ready. Transform yourself with our exclusive value added courses that help you learn beyond, think beyond, and lead beyond. We go beyond the curriculum prescribed by the university to equip our students with industry relevant skills and prepare them to tackle emerging challenges in the professional world. Our courses are designed to ensure that our graduates are confident, competent, and better prepared to thrive in today's dynamic industry. We prepare students not just for today's opportunities but for what's next. Visit www.pcips.ac.in to learn more and explore our wide range of value added courses.